Mr. Commissioner,
Yes, sir.
are you an IAS officer?
Yes, sir.
Of which batch?
2006 batch, sir.
So you are sufficiently senior officer,
Yes, sir.
and I consider you to be a matured officer.
Sir.
You also appreciate the sensitiveness involved in these cases,
Yes.
to what extent it can damage the public health,
Yes.
and this is across state. So as commissioner, what is your idea about food safety,
Sir, there are two.
particularly in the context of the matter involved in this case?
Sir, there are two things regarding.
Since
the
how
food
long
safety.
you are commissioner food safety?
So last 2 years, sir.
2 years.
Yes, sir.
So you must be seasoned with the situation.
Yes. Particularly, we have a special program in Madhya Pradesh, Milawat Se Mukti Abhiyan, in which
Which program?
Milawat Se Mukti. That is the campaign which is initiated by the state governments since last 3 years.
Just a minute. Milawat Se Mukti is a program which is approved by cabinet.
Sir, it is initiative by the state government, not through the cabinet.
Now, what is that this program about?
Program is basically the regulation through the act is already going through the departments and all that, but the major change is to aware the people about the things. Another thing
This
is,
awareness has it helped so far?
yes, sir, definitely, sir, because it's
To
not.
what extent have you been able to tide over, in particularly in Morena and Bhind districts? Be
Sir,
very frank.
Sir, definitely. Actually, I have one report. 2000, since last 3 years,
Huh.
we are testing the milk and milk products and monitoring the how much percentage of the substandard or adulterate.
Do you know how they are raiding the premises and how they are taking sample and how are they preserving samples? Have you got any idea?
Yes, sir. Sir, they take sample in 4 parts. One sample is given to the concerned FBOs. 2 samples are kept ready with him, and 1 sample is immediately sent to the post by the FSO to the laboratory, whichever is assigned to it.
How many samples have you sent in these 3 years, and how many reports have you received in time?
Sir, I will do that report, sir.
Because I have the report.
Yes, sir.
The funny part of this kind of sampling is that after taking sample, you make it over to the owner. This is happening.
Sir, sir, legal position is that they have to take the 4 samples.
Mr. Commissioner, legal position we are aware.
Sir,
It is all in papers. But ground reality is different. You people are sitting in Bhopal. And I am not hesitant calling you people sitting on ivory tower. You do not have the understanding of what is happening at the ground level. On the every festivals,
sir.
your own collectors कि इतना 100 किलो मेवा मावा पकड़ा गया,
Sir.
इतना घी पकड़ा गया. अगर ये सब इतनी शराफत से आपको इतने रिजिस्टली काम चल रहा होता मिलावट से मुक्ति की तरफ, तो हम लोग सब लोग मुक्ति धाम चले जाते अब तक तो.
Yes. Sir, my request
यानी
is, sir.
काहे क्या मुक्ति?
Sir, basically, sir.
मिलावट आपको मिलावट का चैलेंज आप नहीं फेस कर पा रहे हो.
Sir,
बिकॉज यू डू नॉट हैव. आप देखिए, आप तो पहली बार यहाँ पे आए हैं. इसके पहले की डेट्स में आप देखिए, आप बस कितनी मोबाइल वैन से पूरे मध्य प्रदेश में?
So we have 15, sir.
50
15.
15. और कितने जिले हैं आपके पास में?
52.
देन
So we have asked for it from FSSI.
तब ये बात अभी से क्यों हो रही है? आप 3 साल से यहाँ पे हो
Sir.
और आपके पहले प्रेडिसेसर्स भी रहे होंगे, तो अभी तक ये सूझ नहीं आई कि 52 जिले में 15 मोबाइल वैन क्या कर लेगी?
Sir, actually, see, it is decided by the FSSI actually, and
So therefore you have nothing to do.
no, we ask every time through the MOU.
So you can show me all the papers, sir.
Sir.
1 reminder, 2 reminders, 3 reminders. What to do? They are not doing it.
Sir.
See, if the government will function like this, that the IS officers will only keep on running the paper tigers, then who will work at the grassroots level? अगर आपकी वहाँ पे वर्क कल्चर ऐसा रहेगा तो ग्राउंड में कौन सा काम करेगा? वो तो आज आप यहाँ आए सीधी बातें हो रही हैं आपसे, आपके जो ऑफिसर्स आते हैं उनको तो ABCD भी नहीं पता, उनको तो ये भी नहीं पता कि सैंपल लेके करना है, क्या करना है सैंपल लेकर के. And I'm really surprised that food safety measures are such of immense importance. It affects public health. If we are oblivious of public health and are only interested to maintain our health, then where are we heading for? Other things will come on priority, but these two are of immense importance for the public of any state or country. आपके पास जो क्या कैलेडोस्कोप होता है, क्या, what is that scope machine which they have to do it instantly?
Magic box.
Magic box, वो भी नहीं है आपके पास.
No, we have magic boxes and
handheld electronic milk testing machine, my lord. They now, after the order of the Honorable Court, they have requisitioned. And my lord, today FSSAI has submitted its reply.
We will come to say also why it has adopted an indifferent attitude.
They are saying that they have not.
But it is not only the policy you are supposed to make. Policy you will make very decorative, but ensure that it's a practical policy and it is formulated and implemented at the grassroots level. If you do not have expert officers, if you do not have seasoned officers, then why don't you hold the campaign training programs? But somewhere somebody has to take the call or not. Who will take the call?
sir, my request is, sir, we regularly train the FSS also regarding the different campus and
Unfortunately, all your training has gone in vain. You please ask yourself this question.
Sir.
How much your training programs have yielded results? You please tell me. The recurring problem of food adulteration is on rise. I am in Gwalior in two spells. From 13 to 17 I was here, and from 21 to up till now. In my 8 years experience, that adulteration problem is as chronic as that sand mafia problems. Well, sometimes we feel that but for our intervention, the public would be at the mercy of all these persons who are habitually indulged in adulterations. Public because your officers have no powers. It appears that they have nothing. It is beyond their competence to check and checkmate the adulteration.
Sir, through that campaign, sir, the whole of the government approach has been taken in which collector, SP, food officers, CMHOs, all are involved as a collectively because it is not possible for single FSO to do this.
That's why I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
That what kind of coordination you have at the capital, at the Bhopal level regarding this.
Sir, we have also state level committee under the chairmanship of Chief Secretary, and they.
That's why one day I will ask her also.
Sir.
As Chief Secretary, what effective steps have you taken to ensure that that the cities which are chronic, they are chronic cities where the adulteration is typically on rise. By you keep on making committee, you keep on making policy, but transformation into action is the biggest thing. Have you seen my previous order sheets?
Yes, sir.
Detailed order sheets we have written
Yes, sir.
regarding lapses.
Yes.
Now, what measures have you taken? Have you filed your affidavit?
Yes, sir.